Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make 2-ingredient cottage cheese biscuits. These biscuits are super moist, fluffy, and as an added bonus, they're higher in protein than your typical biscuits. To make the cottage cheese biscuits, I will be using Southern Biscuit Formula L, which is a complete biscuit mix, and it contains golden shortening flakes. I will also be using 2% cottage cheese. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of the biscuit flour as well as 1.5 cups of the cottage cheese. Using a blending fork, I'm going to mix the ingredients together. I'm also going to use the blending fork to help mash the cottage cheese into the flour to help them combine. I'm going to use 1/8 cup of water to help pick up the little bits of flour left on the bottom of the bowl. Now I'm going to flour my working surface, and I'm just using all-purpose flour. I'm going to dump the dough onto the flour surface and add more flour to the top. Right now the dough is very sticky. I'm going to take the flour and just work it into the dough by folding it, flattening it out, folding it again, flattening out, and just do that a couple times just until I can tell that the dough is not sticky anymore. Once my dough is not sticky anymore, I'm going to flatten it out to about 1/2 inch thick, and then I'm going to use a 2 3/4 inch biscuit cutter to cut out the biscuits. This recipe makes about 9.5 biscuits. Now I made 9.5 biscuits, but I had a little accident, as you will soon see.
Leaning to the side.
That's called foreshadowing.
To get more biscuits from this leftover dough, I'm just going to keep pushing the dough back together and flattening it out until I can't get a 2 3/4 inch biscuit out of what's left. And that last little piece becomes my tester piece. I'm going to heavily spray some aluminum foil with some non-stick cooking spray. This step is so important. I want to ensure that they do not stick. I knew that was going to happen. The reason why I'm using aluminum foil instead of a sheet pan is because I'm lazy, and we all know that it's a lot easier to ball up a piece of aluminum foil and throw it away rather than having to wash a big old pan. To help the tops brown, I'm going to spray them with some, I can't believe it's not butter spray. I'm going to place the biscuits in a preheated 450-degree oven for 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, I'm going to take them out, flip them over, and place them back in the oven for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. In this first batch of biscuits, you can see that these biscuits came out flatter than your typical sandwich biscuits. These biscuits are good for serving on the side, having them by themselves, or doing like what I like to do, drizzling some salsa verde on top. It's so good. I had 2 of these this morning for breakfast, FYI. How is it, Jimmy?
Awesome.
They're really good. If you want fluffier cottage cheese biscuits to use for biscuit sandwiches like sausage biscuits, ham biscuits, etc., you're going to keep the amount of flour the same, but you're going to reduce the amount of cottage cheese to 1/2 cup plus 1/4 cup, and you're going to increase the water to 1/4 cup plus 1/8 cup. All right, y'all, that's how you make these 2-ingredient cottage cheese biscuits. I really hope you give these a try, even if you detest cottage cheese. You are going to love these, I promise.
Pinky promise?
Pinky promise.